Okay, now let's look at this one, which is a bit different from the first one we solved. And this one says 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 11 is equal to 0. Like I said initially, the first thing is to move the constants from this side to the other side. And we have 2x squared plus 7x is equal to 11. Now, secondly, now we've noticed that the coefficient of x squared is not unity, that means it's not 1. So we try to make it 1. And how do we do that? We divide through by the coefficient of that x squared. And when we do that, we have that x squared, because when this divides, this one is gone, x squared plus 7 over 2x is equal to 11 over 2, right? Now, the second thing is, like we did, you have the coefficient of x, square it and add it to both sides. That is x squared plus 7 over 2x. Now the coefficient of x is 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2. Then halving it is times 2. Square it, we've added it to this side, will be equal to 11 over 2 plus 7 over 4 all squared. Right? Now the next thing to do is to factorize this side. And when we do that, we have that x plus 7 over 4 all squared is equal to, this I have 11 over 2 plus 49 over 16, right? And when we add this side, we have 88 plus 49 all over 16. And then we have that x plus 7 over 4 all squared is equal to 88 plus 49 will give us 137 all over 16, right? And then the next thing is move this square to the other side. That means we take square root of both sides. And when we do that, we have that x plus 7 over 4 will be equal to plus or minus square root of 137 over 16, right? And now, the next thing is, now we move this one, 7 over 4, to this side. And we have, first of all, what was here is x plus 7 over 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 137 over 16. But and this will give us plus or minus square root of 137 all over 4. Or square root of 16 is 4. So we have x plus 7 over 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 137 over 4. Now you move this one to the other side. And when we do that, we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 137 over 4, then minus 7 over 4. This side will still give us sod 137 plus 137 plus 7 all 4, right? Or this is plus or minus. Now x now will be equal to, so either it is, so that is plus, so this is minus, is plus 137 minus 7 all over 4, or it is, or x is equal to minus sod 137 minus 7 all over 4. And if you simplify, we get something like 1.1 For this one will be minus 4 point something. So if you want to simplify it, use your calculator and then simplify it. You see that this method is still very simple, very easy. It's very simple. Just for you to follow the steps. Once you follow the steps, you get it correctly.